Hi, I'm Natalie from the Brandetize joint venture and affiliate marketing team, and today I'm going to teach you about affiliate marketing and how it can help you grow your profits. What if I told you that you can get other people to market your business for free and you only pay them every time they drive a sale? I'm here today to tell you that you can, and we refer to this type of marketing as affiliate marketing. In fact, affiliate marketing is so common that without even knowing it, we see it on a daily basis. Think about the emails that you get and the newsletters that you're subscribed to. Have you ever noticed the people sending them are sometimes promoting other people's products? Think about Facebook and Instagram and how we constantly see influencers promoting #ad products. A lot of these times, influencers aren't getting paid upfront to post about these products, but instead, they're getting paid on each sale that they drive, and all of this is considered affiliate marketing. You may be thinking, but how can we track which sales come from who? That's where tracking links come into play. Let me break this down in an example. Let's say Joe Biceps is a fitness all-star influencer and he was approached by Nike to promote their new sneakers. Nike wants him to send an email out to his list of 10,000 people and post a picture of himself on his Instagram account wearing Nike products to promote them. Nike is offering Joe 40% commission on each sale he drives. The shoes are $100. So Joe will make $40 on every sale he pushes. In this case, Joe is now an affiliate for Nike. Nike will give Joe a trackable link to use in his emails and social posts so they know how many sales came from Joe. It's basically a win-win situation for both Joe and Nike. So Nike is getting free marketing basically. They're only paying $40 for Joe to expose their shoe to his audience, and Joe's making a sale and commission every time he drives a sale. In addition to increasing your audience reach and profits, affiliate marketing will enable you to build relationships with people in the same industry, find out what offers are and aren't working, generate leads, and boost endorsement/credibility. Now, how do you know if you're ready for an affiliate program? First and foremost, you need a product or offer for partners to promote. Second, do you have a sales page? You must have a sales page to drive traffic to. Oftentimes, affiliates or partners prefer to promote lead magnets. A lead magnet is an incentive that marketers offer to potential buyers in exchange for their email address. This is a great way to generate leads and build your email list. Here are a few examples of high-converting lead magnets: webinars, free PDFs, ebooks, quizzes, and any downloadable content. Third, consider your email funnel. Is your email funnel set up and tested? Fourth, you want proven offers that will ensure the affiliate promoting your offer will generate sales. Now, of course, if you're trying to get affiliates to promote your offer or product, you need to make sure that it creates a win-win for both of you. In other words, you still want to make a profit and your affiliate will want to make a profit as well, so take into consideration your internal costs before assigning a commission percentage to affiliates. Finding affiliates can be a bit tricky, so if you're ready to start your affiliate marketing program, a great place to start is signing up for a third-party affiliate site. A few examples include Commission Junction, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. These are great platforms to get started. The best ways to find affiliates are through networking, research, and through platforms like the ones I mentioned before. You can also set up your own affiliate marketing program through sites like Infusionsoft and Post Affiliate Pro, where they will track sales, clicks, and opt-ins through unique tracking UTMs. You can also track sales through specific coupon codes as well. Let's say you're ready to start your affiliate program. Now what? Every time an affiliate promotes your product or offer, you want to track the number of clicks they sent over so you can see how many people viewed your lead magnet or sales page. With an affiliate system like the ones I listed before, you should also be able to view opt-ins or subscribers, which are new leads generated by affiliates who promote your offer. New leads equals more people added to your email list. And then, of course, you should be tracking the number of sales and revenue generated and the commissions to be paid out. Now, I know that's a lot to take in, but the bottom line is that creating partnerships with big players in the same industry can be a lucrative business unit and add another stream of income and new customers. In addition to affiliate marketing, you may find that you can generate even more revenue through joint ventures, but we'll talk about that next time. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Are you ready to increase your profits through affiliate marketing? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll follow up with you. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video about affiliate marketing, hit the like button and please share this video with your friends. And if you want more marketing content, subscribe to Brandetize marketing channel. For more marketing resources and to discuss how Brandetize can help your business, visit our website at www.brandetize.com.